Hi, I'm Stephanie Benzer with the K Grant Group. We're here at one of our newest listings. It's for sale and for rent at Optima Camelview. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath that's been remodeled from floor to ceiling. Let's check it out. The condo was fully remodeled in 2022 and is filled with luxurious upgrades and finishes. You'll enter into a bright, open concept kitchen boasting cool gray cabinetry, white marble tile, and modern upscale fixtures. The custom black and gray marble fireplace is the centerpiece of this gorgeous living room, overlooking Highland Avenue and Scottsdale Fashion Square. The unit is available fully furnished with its tasteful modern decor. The impressive list of amenities at Optima Camelview ensures you have everything you need to feel at home, including a state-of-the-art fitness facility, indoor lap pool, indoor basketball court, and a putting green. I hope you enjoyed this condo as much as I do, and it would be my pleasure to show you in person. I'm Stephanie Benzer with the K Grant Group.